This is a 2012 Lexus IS 250 with 90,000 miles. Amazingly clean. Not a door ding on this thing. Super, super sharp vehicle. It's like a pearl white. Not quite pearl white, but Carfax certified, no accidents, 90,000 miles, needs absolutely nothing. I apologize for the wind noise. Moonroof. Like I said, you won't find a door ding in this thing. Very, very clean. Cream interior is like new. No rips, stains, wear marks, never smoked in. We have both sets of keys, original floor mats, navigation, backup camera, heated and air-conditioned seats, automatic transmission, moonroof. 90,000 miles. No cracked dash. Power seats. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. As I stated, the vehicle is exceptionally clean. Alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. So this is a 2012 Lexus IS 250, 90,000 miles, amazing condition, needs nothing.